In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a Canon Pixma TS8750 printer. Maybe you want to sell the printer or just reset it back to default settings. This is how you do it. Come to the touchscreen and you're going to press on this settings wheel here and then select printer settings, the second option down. Then we're going to press this down arrow here and you'll see we have this reset settings option. Go ahead and press it. And then there's a few different things that you can reset. So you can just do the LAN settings. And then if you want to reset everything, just press reset all at the bottom. And then confirm by pressing yes. And give it a minute. And here we have a confirmation message that all settings have been reset. So you can just press OK. And if I go back to the home screen, you can see that it's been reset. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.